Hey guys, are you having a problem and not being able to send message in Messenger for 3 days? If so, watch this video till the very end. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix your problem. First of all, go to the Messenger application and here tap on your profile. Here tap on settings icon. Scroll down and tap on report technical problems. Here you have to write polite. If you think you have violated any community rules, you have to write that and apologize if you are not going to do it again. If you don't think you have violated any community rules, simply you have to write your problem and tap on this send. After that, they will fix your problem within few hours if they think you haven't violated any rules. If not so, then your problem will be auto fixed after 72 hours. So, thank you for watching, guys. I hope this will help you solve your problem. See you guys in the next video.